with a small information, because most of you won't be knowing about this info, what's new, and then help, look for, and which. That's why I want to share these information with you, and then we'll move on to that neural network design steps. And as I said, neural network comprises of three layers. Okay, input layer, output layer, and hidden layer. Okay, so the input layer will take some input, and then the hidden layer will do some function, and then it moves to that output layer. Output layer will do some what is it again? It will do something on that for the output of the hidden layer. It gives an output. Generally, what will happen there? So neural network can be especially used for classification. Say, for example, in the previous session handled by Ms. Menaka ma'am, she was taking an example for the classification of the flowers, okay, as in the family, as what to say, uh, Virginia and Vetosa. Okay, so in that, she has taken few of the features as an input. She has taken that width and the length. Okay, so here length and width are going to be the features here. So the neural network will be trained for the different sepal length and the width. And this is like how we train child. So if you want a child to learn about with the different fruits, say for example an apple and an orange, what we'll do, we'll make the child, we will show them the apple, and then we'll tell this is apple, which is red in color, for n number of times. If you are going to tell that child for the first day, it won't recognize anything, it won't remember anything. When you show that same apple the second day, it will come to know something that is known to the child. Okay, if it is being trained continuously for a week or for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, automatically in the fourth week, if you ask the child what is it, it will be able to reciprocate that it is an apple, because it has seen that apple for more than a week or more than 2 weeks, with which that human that child's brain gets trained to that apple. Okay, similarly, if you show the orange, it will compare. Apple is red in color, orange is in orange color, and the shape and all those things. So these are going to be the features. So red color is one of the features, and the size. We cannot say size is going to help you a lot here, but let's take the size is also a factor here. So size, color, and the width and the length. So with all these things, if you're going to train a child, train of the child, so for a continuously for a week, then after a week or after 2 weeks, it will be able to tell you. If you show an orange, definitely 90% of the child will say that it's an orange, and if you show an apple, it will say it's an apple, because the human brain getting trained with all the features. So here the neural network model is going to replicate the human brain, where the features are being given as an input to the model, and the model gets trained. And after getting trained, if you give a test input, then automatically the network will interpret correctly in which class it belongs to. So in the previous example, let us consider that sepal width and length. So I'm going to train the network with n number of what to say data set.